Hey y'all, so today I'm working on this 2016 F150 with a 5.0 Coyote, and we had an issue with it wanting to run rough at idle, especially when warm, and shutting off randomly at a stoplight or a stop sign, just randomly shutting off. And from what I figured out, these things go bad, causing that issue. It's called the variable valve timing or variable cam timing. The little needle that it has in there will gum up and not work properly. They're located right here in front of the camshafts, two on each side of the engine. The cause of that is most likely irregular oil changes. This truck in particular went 20,000 plus kilometers without an oil change, and that will be a big cause for these solenoids going out, and your cams and your valves will start looking fairly brown and fairly golden